Hello everybody and welcome back to FX Street. Today we're going to be taking a look at Cardano. Right, so things are looking pretty interesting here for Cardano. There's a slowdown of momentum as it pierces this daily breaker. We're yet to see if the price actually moves above this breaker and makes a run at 1.60. Right, so before we discuss all of this, please head on over to our YouTube channel here at FX Street and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Twitter to stay updated to the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. So please make sure to give us a follow on Twitter as well. If you like my analysis and you want to stay updated with the altcoins, Bitcoin, and these kind of analysis, please give me a follow on Twitter at Mangeko with a 0 at the end. Right, back to Cardano. Since our last discussion, the Adam and Eve pattern is extremely close to its reaching its target at 1.26, which it hasn't so far. And as you can see here, the price has undergone massive sell-offs here. And despite this massive sell-offs, the price is slowly and steadily piercing into the breaker. Right, the breaker, the more the price retests the breaker or attacks or moves into it or pierces it, the more weaker it becomes. So I believe there's going to be a run up for Cardano where it moves beyond this breaker, explodes, goes up, retests this level again at 1.60. Right, and as you can see here, the 2021-2022 volume profile here for Cardano thins out considerably after 1.23, right? So beyond this, you can expect Cardano to move swiftly to 1.60. And on reaching 1.60, I would be looking to short Cardano because of the triple tap setup that I'm seeing here, where the low forms and then you have this deviation above the high. I'm sorry, a high forms, deviation above the high, and then a retest of the same high, right? And then I would short Cardano back to wherever the volume profile is at the highest. So yeah, the upside for Cardano is capped at 1.6. That is if we do manage to get a breach of this breaker here and produce a daily close above 1.35. Right, and beyond that, there is slightly inefficiencies present down here. So let me just go down to a lower time frame. Right, God damn, I think there is, yep. Right, you could just wait for, yep, so there's an FEG here, right? An alternative scenario would play out something like this. If Cardano fails to move above the breaker here, like I mentioned here, then, and if Bitcoin starts to flow 180, then I believe we're going to come down here, fill this FEG, retest the next line of the Adam and Eve pattern, which would, give you another opportunity for the price to, it would give you another opportunity to long Cardano and wait for it to retest 1.26, right? And even beyond that, you have this breaker here, so you could probably close your targets, close the positions here, and then open another long if we get a daily close above the breaker at 1.35. Either way, there's a lot of opportunity here for Cardano. To sum it up, the upside is capped at 1.60, assuming we break and close above 1.35 on a daily time frame. If we get rejected by the daily breaker's lower limit, probably at 1.26, then there's a good chance price could return to the neckline of this Adam and Eve pattern at roughly $1, right? And fill the inefficiency formed due to the explosive move on 23rd March. Either way, you could, I wouldn't recommend shorting Cardano here, but I would recommend waiting patiently and longing Cardano at $1 and longing Cardano if we get a flip of the breaker at 1.35. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my analysis for Cardano. If you enjoyed the session, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please make sure to leave your doubts in the comment section, and you can also hit me up on Twitter if you have any doubts. So yeah.